Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you best Windows Phone launcher for your any Android device. First guys, download this launcher on your Android device. This launcher downloading available on description. Trust me guys, this launcher gives you complete Nokia Lumia experience on your Android device. After download, simply tap and open. Look at this. Guys, this is complete Nokia Lumia Windows Phone launcher on your Android device. Look at this, every option complete similar like Windows Phone. Let me show you. Look at this. You also set light or dark mode like Nokia Lumia device. Also set accent color. Look at these animations. Guys, first go to setting and set this launcher as default launcher. Now, if you want to add any app on home screen, then simply tap and hold. Look at these complete Nokia Lumia options. Simply tap on pin to grid and this app add on your home screen. Now let me show you more setting options. Look at this icon pack. You also change icon packs, monochrome. This is monochrome icons, adaptive icons. Look at these adaptive icons. Adaptive icons with background. But guys, I'll suggest simply set monochrome icons for complete Nokia Lumia experience. Now look at this, you also set wallpaper from gallery, tile transparency, tile radius, tile labels and group applications. Now look at this, you also add widgets on your home screen. Look at this guys, widget add on my home screen. If you go to setting, then simply enable live notifications. You also hide apps from this launcher. Guys, look at this complete Nokia Lumia experience on your Android device. This is complete Nokia Lumia Windows Phone options. So guys, you also install this best Windows Phone launcher on your any Android device and experience Nokia Lumia Windows Phone on your Android device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.